National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, southwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Annetta, or 10 miles south of Weatherford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Benrock Lake, Godley, Annetta South, Crescent, Top, Western Lake, Benbrook, Joshua, Burleson, Lake Granbury, and Fort Worth. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.